Hello everyone, I'm Shobhita. Please watch the videos on my channel Shobhita Talks. Like them and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications for my upcoming videos. These videos are very beneficial for learners of English language, for students of all age groups, and also for the teachers. So please stay connected to them. My tip for the day is for the students, always prepare your lessons a day before. Like all the students know that what lesson the teacher will be taking up the next day. So, when you go home after finishing your homework, open that lesson and read it thoroughly. You can underline those lines which are difficult for you to understand. So, what will happen next day when you go to your class and your teacher reads that lesson out? Then you will be one up on the others. You'll be able to understand it in a better way because you have already read it, and you will have many questions for your teacher to ask her. And if the teacher asks you something, you will be able to answer it well because you have read the lesson thoroughly. So it is very important to prepare your lesson a day before. So my tip for the day is be well prepared. This will keep you alert in the class, and your fondness for the subject will also grow. The word of the day is astounding. Astounding. It means surprisingly impressive or notable. And what part of speech is it? It is an adjective. Now I'll speak out 4 sentences just to tell you how you can use this word in sentences. This work contains an astounding collection of facts useful to the scientists. She looked around astounded by the beauty of the orchard. She stood back astounded. This massive toy astounded viewers at the 2019 Toy Fair. So the word astounding can be used as astounded also. When you are making sentence, you can change the tense. And the topic for the day, the video, is interjections. An interjection is a word that expresses an emotion such as surprise, excitement, anger, shock, etc. Interjection is the easiest of all the parts of speech, and it is very interesting. I really love interjections. So the word interjection is derived from the Latin word inter and jactus, which means between and thrown, respectively. Inter means between and jactus means thrown. In a simple way, we can say it is a word thrown into a sentence and does not really form a part of it. It is just, you can say, thrown into the sentence to show the emotions and different types of emotions. It really does not form a part of the sentence. So I'll give you some examples of interjections. Hurrah! Our side has won. After interjection, there is an exclamatory mark. The word hurrah is to express pleasure. Alas, we have lost. Alas is a word which is used to express sadness. And today this word is rarely used in spoken English. We hardly use this word these days in spoken English. Hush, I hear someone coming. Shh or hush. These type of words are used when we have to tell somebody to be quiet. Shh, shh, shh. We do like this. Hello, Sam, how are you? Hello is used when meeting or greeting someone or when starting a conversation on the phone. Bravo, Mohit. Bravo, Mohit. Now the exclamation mark will be after Mohit. Bravo, Mohit. Well hit. Bravo is used to show approval of something. Ouch, I got pricked with this needle. Ouch is a cry expressing sudden pain. Wow, what a wonderful painting. Wow is a very common interjection used these days. Wow is used to express great surprise or admiration. We always say, wow, what a beautiful thing. Wow, what a tasty dish. For wow is so common, so it's always like a word which is used every now and then. Hey, where are you going? Hey is used to attract someone's attention or to express interest, surprise, or anger. Ah, that's the excuse every lazy boy makes. Ah, expresses surprise, pleasure, admiration, etc. Oh, what a beautiful rose. Oh, what a beautiful rose. Oh, expresses surprise, fear, pleasure, etc. So these words that express a sudden feeling are called interjections. I hope you have understood them well. What are interjections? An interjection is a word that expresses an emotion such as surprise, excitement, anger, shock, etc. So this is all about interjections, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep safe, enjoy yourself, have a nice time. Bye.